If I could exist in any place, it would be the end of my longing. It would be the edge of dusk at the tip of the scissor hands, where I snipped away the last of my burdens and toasted to the beginning of sewing these loose threads, these unfinished patches, into a warm togetherness. Like that feeling I felt, bold and brash, yet altogether peaceful, still. Light radiating at every extremity, singing the night away underneath Pacific stars, between grazing palms, a sky caught on fire. Like the way we danced in circles, tongues soaked in song, in laughter, full and hazy and heavy-lidded, utterly consumed by blood and water. The celebration of existing in a place like this.